Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to try out different Linux distributions but didn't want to go through the hassle of installing them? With DistroSea, you can explore a variety of Linux distros right from your browser. DistroSea is an online platform that lets you test different Linux distributions in a virtual machine directly through your web browser. You can explore popular distros like Fedora, Ubuntu, and niche ones like Arch Linux. DistroSea spins up a virtual machine for you so you can interact with the operating system just as if it were installed on your local machine. Once you select a distribution, DistroSea launches a virtual machine using no VNC, which lets you access the environment in full screen mode. After a quick CAPTCHA, you can dive into the OS, explore the interface, and test its features. DistroSea is perfect for anyone curious about Linux or developers who need to quickly test different environments without the need to install anything on their computer. Just head to DistroSea and start experimenting. Thanks for watching.